Whatever Debbie is, Brody, we're going to be the complete opposite of that. We're going to be dry for the extended forecast. You can see Debbie there meandering, like you said, in North Florida, moving ever so slowly. I think we can maybe even run faster than what Debbie is moving right now. But notice towards us, we are dry and we are clear. We've actually got fairly humid again once again today. Those heat index values getting into the triple digits. So we were 105 in Starkville earlier today. You can see there 104 values, 105 towards Aberdeen. That humid feel is sticking with us. It won't be too bad over the next few days, but the next few days are going to be like this. Sunshine, sunny skies. This is a view we got from campus a little bit earlier today. We reached a high temperature of 95 degrees in Starkville, but those humid days are going to continue. But like I said, it's not going to be overly humid, but you're still going to need those precautions, and it's still going to be let's say you know the drill. In the morning, tomorrow morning, mid-70s. We're going to be drenched in sweat. If you're doing any exercise in the morning, you may be drenched in sweat if you're heading out to your mailbox in the morning hours. So clear and humid to start off with the sunrise at 6:12 in the morning. In the morning, obviously, that's when we get our sunrises. High temperature tomorrow, I'll call it 97, 98 degrees. It's going to be hot in the afternoon, mid-90s, carrying through the entirety of the afternoon. Notice those heat index isn't going to be too crazy. We can handle this. We can handle the lower triple digits, but don't let that sneak up on you. You still need to wear a hat, sunscreen, water bottles, all that sort of good things that we're used to this time of year. Now, with the rainfall, I said we're going to be the complete opposite of Debbie. We've gotten a pretty healthy amount of rainfall for the past month or so, just a little bit above average, but in my 7-day, not expecting a whole bunch of rainfall at all. In fact, some drier air is going to be pushing in. The next few days, I wouldn't say very humid. I'd say modestly humid, but this is the best. I like the way that this one graphic looked when it said very humid. I like the way it looked. But notice this drier air that's going to be pushing in from Canada. It's going to be trailing behind Debbie. That drier air is going to make it feel more pleasant, but it's also going to reinforce some drier conditions. You can see my 7-day updated forecast, or 6-day, well, that's 6 days, that we're going to get some cooler air working its way in. By cooler, I mean the lower 90s. I'm just trying to be a little bit of an optimist here. Lower 90s to lower 70s, and maybe even some mid and upper 60s as we head into next week are a very extended forecast. But for the next few days, the story is going to be the heat. Not too overly humid, but 98 to 97 degrees. Not setting records or not record shattering, but we're still going to be hot for the next couple of days.